In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional logo in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a blank page to polished logo options you can refine and use anywhere. First, head to the Canva homepage in your browser. If you have an account, sign in so your work saves automatically. If you're new, a free account is enough for this process, and it only takes a moment to set up. From the home screen, click Templates at the top. This opens a huge gallery organized by use case. In the search bar there, type logo. This quickly narrows the results to logo-specific ideas and layouts. Browsing for a minute can spark inspiration for color, shape, and typography, even if you plan to make something unique. Next, choose Create a Blank Logo. This opens a clean, square canvas in the editor, which is ideal for logos because squares scale well across social profiles, websites, and print. Starting blank gives you full control and avoids being boxed into a preset style. On the left sidebar of the editor, click Apps. This is where Canva keeps its built-in tools and integrations that speed up creative work. In the Apps search field, type Logo. You'll see options related to logo building. Select Logo Maker. This tool helps you generate strong starting points based on your brand's direction. It won't replace your eye, but it will accelerate the first draft and give you variations to choose from. Now, describe the logo you want. Be specific and practical. Include your brand or project name, the industry, the vibe you're aiming for, and any elements you care about. For example, mention whether you want a modern word mark, a clean monogram, or an icon with simple geometric shapes. Note preferred colors, like muted blues or bold high contrast palettes, and call out any symbols that make sense for your niche. The clearer your description, the closer the results will land to your vision. When you're ready, click Create. Canva will generate a set of logo options on your canvas. Take a moment to scan them, then open a few favorites. Tweak the typography to match your tone, adjust colors for accessibility and contrast, and keep shapes simple so the mark remains clear at small sizes. Use alignment and spacing tools to balance elements, and test your logo against both light and dark backgrounds to ensure versatility. When you're happy, duplicate a version for alternate colorways, and consider exporting a transparent PNG for digital use alongside a high-resolution file for print. That's it. You've created professional logo options in Canva fast, with plenty of room to refine them into a brand-ready mark.